Okay, we dealt with this one here. Convexity. When is a function convex and non-convex? We can explain this using the drawings. You have 2 points, x1, x2. This is your curve. And what you're going to do now is connect f of x1 and f of x2. That's the red line. And if in a certain interval x1, x2, f of x is below the red line, this function is convex. This function is non-convex because in the interval x1, x2, f of x is above the red line. Yeah? Why is convexity so important? Well, convex means that the minimum that you find equals the global minimum. Yeah? Very important. So, not convex can mean several local minima. Yeah? So you're not sure if the minimum you found is a global minimum. Example of convex functions are mean squared error that we've seen, logistics regression, which we will see later, classifier, and SVMs, support vector machines. An example of non-convex is neural nets. Yeah. Okay.